Okay, good evening. Can you hear me? If you hear me loud and clear, give me a reply 1 into the chat room. Okay, good evening. Can you hear me? If you hear me loud and clear, give me a reply. Okay, yeah, good evening. Okay, 4 of you, 3 of you inside. So we see who else is joining later on. So everyone go higher already. Okay, Thursday there's no live, so it's a Raya moon and everyone is go Hari Raya. So no more live on the 20th. So we'll see you on the 25th next week. So the market also going to cross already. So Dr. Wong, good evening. So you can have a good rest for the weekend. Or Vivian is here. Hi, Vivian. When you want to buy us a good meal, Vivian made a lot of money. Okay, 500%. Yeah. So this is she bought something here. Okay. Wow, Vivian made about 400% from the trading 13 days. Super. So super good, huh? I bought from 6 and then I sold out last Friday. Okay. So I'm making 100% and Vivian making about 400%. Vivian, you should become a yeah, next time live. I think you should handle this one. Okay. So this is a different, yeah. So next time invite Vivian as a guest to speak to us. Okay. Okay, let us start a bit early. So never mind. I think many go to holiday already. So many go to Hari Raya. Okay. So we're talking about Malaysia market at the moment. So very easier. So actually today, yesterday, we are very worried about these two old men. The one is the PMX, one is the TM. We are very worried about what happened in the political landscape in Malaysia. So end of the day, decided to settle in court. Then will be a good news, ah. So at least you will be ding dong quite some time before the the thing happen. You see. So Mr. Fang, yeah, good evening. So hopefully, ding dong, and then we got Q2 a good trend. You see, market trend. So the next one we are talking about KLCI, KL Health, actually hit the support. So what you need to do is we look into this issue. First of all, of course, I don't want to talk more about these two guys. Two important men are actually very important. Yeah, we have to respect them in the certain respect at certain point. Okay, we talk about the KLSE. Okay, Andy, Thai. Yeah, good evening. Okay, what we have actually we're talking about the we're talking about the trend where actually the trend will be end for the KOSC. So you look into the what we call it, you use this look into the year chart. So we go into the month chart, not new year chart. Okay, we go in month chart. So very important that we are looking forward for the 3 months, 3 months, yeah, bull market. So hopefully this month still got a chance for you to make money. So almost end of the month already. It's very fast one. Okay, we just talk about this what we call that the April Fool, and then the next day will be next week is the end of the month already. So I don't know why the time is like flying, you see. So we have settled these cases, I mean political problems settled. So hopefully the next month it will be something like this. And then hopefully we got the 3 months. So wow, then 3 months then we have opportunity to better opportunity lah to make money. Doesn't say that the red one don't have opportunity, but easier for the overall investor to make money on the bull market. So you can see the week chart also same. So this 3 week and then 1 week bear market, and then hopefully a 3 week and then one more week bear market and then 3 week. That will conclusive of the what we call that Q2 in the bull market. So this is hitting the resistance level on the week chart also. So you have to do some analysis on the bigger area, bigger market before you make your decision on the day chart. So after you analyze a week chart, month chart, and then you go to analyze your week chart, day chart, and then only you jump into your sector and the stock to make decision what you want to buy. Okay, so at the moment we're talking about here. So this is the very big bullish bearish calendars and plus the gap on the top. So this is very difficult area. So foresee KLCI hitting the sideways for last week of the April. After that, probably sitting on the top here lah. So after that, also hitting the next one on the resistance before going up on the Q2. So we're talking about Q2. So you look into the Q. So Q2 actually is the what you call that the bullish candle. So there's a Q2. So this is important. So we need to focus in the way that we know the big market is it in the better market or bad market. Okay. So if we still have analysis, we're talking about the Q2 is a good market. So at least we have a 1.5 month to 2 months to go. So therefore, we go look into our calendar. So the calendar showing you on the actually end of the month, 28 is a turning point. So if you look into the 28 on the turning point, you go count how many more trading days. Okay, so 19 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lah. So we're talking about 5 trading days. The next 5 trading day will be around this candlestick lah. So this bearish candlestick. So 5 days. So whether go up or go down is somewhere here lah. So somewhere here. So you can see that the market is like after the Hari Raya also the Hari Raya mood, and then before Hari Raya also like that. So that is in the KLCI situation. So that is a KLCI. Yeah? So if you look into others market, is quite promising lah on the Q2. So for example, Hong Kong market actually is showing up and down. So at this level, so you're talking about this level and this level. So this is a bit of a bigger gap or the sideways, something like this for some time. So that is the Hong Kong. So if you're talking about Nasdaq, so we cover more to Malaysian market later on. Nasdaq actually hitting the previous resistance at this level. So try to sit on top on this level tonight. So if not, it will be hanging around somewhere here. Okay, so Young, Valerie, Sim, Chong, YK Chong, Carriers, and Hanson. Good evening, everyone. Okay, good evening. So Tesla starting already. People queue out and buying already. So it's a thing that you have to understand. Okay, let's cover a little bit of way we look forward, what we can foresee for the next week. Okay, we're talking about next week already. See, stock market is very fast day by day. So we focus on the KLSE and KL Health hitting the support level. So welcome to the channel for those who just joined forums and all these things. So after that we go to KL Health. So we go back to Malaysia market and then we go to KL Health. So KL Health, others what we call it, others sector. Why is the base low today? Okay, I go open it back again. Okay, so you can see today actually got few of the sector actually doing well. Okay, so few of them, so inclusive of the healthcare. So the telco, telecommunication, yes, I mean we talking about telecommunication quite some time already. Okay, plantation a bit getting up back again, so it's sideways very long as what we said in the previous day. Previous week also, previous month also, will be hanging around at this Mr. Anwar candlestick. So this is the what we call it, the plantation. So of course there is some of the plantation stock is moving. So if you look into the situation, so we look into the KL Health actually hitting the BBI line. So actually a bit lower compared to the support level here. So a bit lower. So tomorrow will be challenged at this level. So 1845, 45 lah. So they will challenge about 1845 for tomorrow. So 18434445 something like that tomorrow. So if that success, then we'll be going up a little bit higher again. So 119. So we'll try 19 again. So this is the healthcare industry. So actually tomorrow will be, if you look into the chart, so if not sideways, will be testing the 14 something level. So from somewhere 184 something. So this is the outlook of the healthcare for tomorrow. Okay, so after that you go look into the couple of the rest of the sector we try not to cover lah. So not many. For example, we can cover a little bit on the IT side. So what happened to IT? So try one day and then fail. So we have to look into the different market already. So this is a double top already. So I don't know how many times they want to try lah. So we also don't know. We just put a line here and then wait. So if this is a swing a bit, the lower swing a bit higher, never mind. So swing, and then break out only. So take a bit time. You need a bit longer time lah for the IT sector. So that is IT. So we're talking about tech, we're talking about property and energy. Whether the energy will be N. So I already said in the previous class also. So this is the what we call it, the high point, and this is lower, and then this is the lower. So you can see the higher jump lower and jump lower, swing low already. So but the lowest point of this one still try to maintain. So therefore the sideways market will be formed at this area. So if you going down here and then go up again, then will be good lah. So if otherwise will be downtrend already. So almost form a downtrend channel. So that will be the some of the couple of the energy stock. Okay. So today, before we cover on the stock, some people request me cover on this Vivian stock and the bull stock. So we don't want to cover this bull stock anymore lah. So it's quite many people in covering. So we're talking about Star Media. So I hope everyone got the Star Media lah. So if you're talking about Star Media, actually how you want to determine to buy Star Media? It's a very difficult situation for you to buy such a company, you see, such a stock. Very difficult. What's the main reason you want to buy Star Media? So very difficult to give you a good reason to buy. However, what we call that, the technical analysis give you plenty of opportunity to buy. So this is what we call it, the support and resistance level, resistance support level. So actually the price moving on the sideways quite some time. So at the breakout somewhere here, you have to look into the technical analysis. So this is the time that you actually look into the market. So not because the market shoot up and then you look into the market, you know. So this is on the 5%, this is on the 5%, and then reverse one day and then 9%. So if you want to really look into this stock, if you want to buy this stock, so from here onward, actually very good for you to buy. You see? So I'm quite sincere to tell you, this is 1 bit, 2 bit. You want to play a stock. This is not the trend that you have to buy lah. So after that, here also same. You see, 1 2 bit, 1 2 bit, very difficult. So this one also 1 2 bit. This is only the thing that we want. So this is the trend that we want. Okay. After you hold, and then you want to see, want to buy or not, this is a trend that you want. Okay. At today, so at this day, so on the November 11th of April, so you want to buy this stock. Last week lah, you want to buy this stock. So you can see the volume actually is higher. So if you use double volume, we're talking about using the volume first. So we're talking about the volume. So this is double volume. So this is also double volume. This is also double volume. So if you use the pattern of double volume in bullish, so in the pair, so actually they're actually sitting on the top of the line. You see, so this is quite strong, and then strong. How many days? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, so 6 day. This is a very, what we call it, is a very normal one. It's a quite normal one. So it's actually 3 to 8 days in the range. So on the 6th day, actually the volume showing you the stock is moving. So if this day you want to buy the stock, so tomorrow should be the opening is open high. But this day is not open high, so the volume actually is increased, you see. So there is not open high. What you need to do is the volume is higher by the open high. So you have to search back where is the higher volume, or this is a higher volume. So easy, yeah, higher volume. So at this price, okay, the higher volume of this candlestick, and then the price crossing must be higher than this. Okay, the next day you have to make decision to buy. Okay, if you fail to make to this day to buy, you can move to the next day. This day cannot buy already. Okay, this is open a bit high and then going down in the morning. So you're very hard for you to buy lah. So very hard to you to get a buying point. You see. So after that, this is the day that actually you can put in your money lah. So this is a very suitable for you to put in the money. Okay, this is a very good trend for you to put in the money. So therefore, if this stock for me, not for other people, for me, even I trade this stock only, I trade on this day. But this day is Friday, man. So they are very smart. You see, this Friday is Friday. So Friday, I very scared one. I sell everything already. I not there to buy. So 2 days, I give you a very good return. So this is an opportunity that I cannot get. Okay, I don't get anything on this. Okay, so somehow you use any analysis way, very hard for you to buy this stock lah. So you know, buy here, yes, the buying point is here. You use TEDE, actually the buying point in this day lah. But I'm quite worried about this day, you see, Monday. So the two giant is fighting, so I don't want to squeeze in the middle lah. So I don't want to squeeze in the middle, you see. So this is a thing that forgotten. Okay. So if tomorrow someone want to itchy hand want to chase, remember, so the price should be open gap up on this level. So if your hand is quite itchy, you want to buy, and then you go try to get a gap up position, and then you go try that, So otherwise, we don't want to put a risk into this type of market. So if you DE, so one thing that you have to remember that I said before, you can see the ATM card also lah. The ATM card on this candle. Okay, this happened. You see, so you can analyze here. This is a ATM card. So that's okay. If the ATM card happen here is better. So this is the thing that we need to be really focused in the trading. So this is on the media, star media. So back to our glove, I cover 2 only. I don't want to cover so many. Later people you all ask again. So we talk about Supermax. Okay, Supermax, we know that the tomorrow the KLCI hitting the resistance, and then the KLHEALTH is going to test about 1840. So what happened to the stock? individual stock. Okay, individual stock also want to test the resistance at this level. So testing at this level, and then the support is here. So every time this is happening, you see, so you can see that the trend is bad, and then the fund is still moving out, and then this is worse somehow because the top part of the DE is actually getting lower. So that show you possible happen the top deviation already. So if this is a situation, what you should do, actually you can just sit down at the outside the court and waiting lah. So this is quite easy decision even to do. You just sit outside the court and waiting for the trend to be formed. So if the thing is drop and then it rebound, then you have the chance to do this. So this is drop below already. So this is this drop below. So the trend actually is moving up and down and going. You can see that this is a higher point, right? So if we pick on the right top here, actually the top is become lower. So this is a confirmation of today, and then the price actually go reverse. So this is abnormal thing that happen in the stock market. So what you don't trade, you have to wait. You have to wait, wait this one turn to red color and go up again. So break out this position. So remember, break out this position. Only you have the chance. So the price, the price should be sideways or move a little bit up. Only have a chance to buy. However, MCD still okay, still got the profitable chip, and then you can see look into it, still okay lah. But the worst, the scary is this one. The indication of the DE actually show you the top part moving up. The fund is moving up already, something like this. So you have to wait something happen like this, is it? So we have to wait another wave that doing like this. Okay. If you ask me, if the trend will be end, I will say no lah. So it's still still there, but it's still on the bigger picture. It's still uptrend lah. So in the bigger picture, so you look into the, for example, week chart. So you can see the week chart is still strong lah on the top there. So it's still slowly build out and accumulate the chip that try to move up. So you see why is hitting the resistance actually on the month chart actually. You can see the month chart hitting the testing the white line. So if the white line is turning like this, then all this glove king counter will be showing you the opportunity to make money already lah. So you have to wait. So the answer is waiting. Okay, you look into the what we call that Supermax also same. So hitting the white line. So if you go to Hata, actually all of them the same lah. So you have to find something that make yourself to understand actually when the stock hitting what. If you're looking into the bigger picture, this month chart actually is still like this. So this is a 2 month, this is a 2 month. So if we're going to bearish a few more months, it's possible lah. But it's still in the long term, the stock is still doing quite good lah. So you can see this is also on the white line already. So we chart on the white line already. So sitting comfortable on the week chart on the white line. So this is how you analyze. Actually, if we're looking into any others graph counter, it might be give you a same result. Okay, so this is day chart. So you look into the week chart or month chart. Month chart, so actually two months already lah. So it's better than previous day lah. So previous month, you see. So if they have 3 months, they were hitting the previous resistance. So if you buy this stock, you will be the longer period lah. So we chart also not yet hitting the white line. So the previously like this giving you 100% return, 100%. So not say that this is not a good counter. Okay, it's still there. So white line actually this is cross a bit lower to the BBI line already. So but the DE is good. So you have to differentiate which one you want to buy. So tomorrow not really a trading day lah. Okay, so tomorrow is like you go to relax and then go do your note and all this thing. Come back for next week. So you can see that the if you buy a bull stock, you can just keep it. So the political landscape is a bit stable. Okay, so we look back into the couple of stock that I said in the few days ago. So this is media. So we don't go talk about medias. We're talking about EcoWorld International. Okay, so the property market is okay, and then this stock that booming and then go up, go up, go up again. So some other stock probably give you a bit opportunity lah. For example, EcoWorld, you see, so they give you a bit opportunity to make some money lah. So you can see that this is a big bullish candle and then go up some of the reversal. So if the price continue sitting 50% of this one is considered strong. So after that, come with the double volume, then actually the price will continue a bit higher. So this is how we actually you can just do a bit focus on that. Okay, so we cover a little bit on the glove counter. So hopefully everyone understand. Actually, if you want to do this stock, so you have to carefully waiting for the resistance and the support level. So before you do other thing, you see, unless you go to find those strong and bullish stock, for example this one. So you see yesterday the price shoot up already, and then you go chase, and then today roller coaster. So we don't want to chase stock. Okay, what you need to do is you need to analyze. You buy at the earlier, and then you wait for the price to go up. Okay, for example, you want to buy here, then the price go up. So what reason for you to draw this line? This is very important. Why you choose this is your platform? This is highly important. So you have to give yourself a fair answer. If you want to buy at this area, and then why you want to buy. Okay, all these things that you have to sort it out and throughout your analysis day time to time. So we look into Boomi also. So many people maybe got a Boomi. So you see Boomi is here, and then the higher price of the Boomi is 730, and then hitting this area already. So this is what we call that the swing a bit low on the high part. If going like this, then almost gone already lah. So this is also we say very hard for you to make money, but there's an opportunity for you. So this is about 14% in this area. So you might make about 10% only. So if I hitting the support I buy, and then I will get about 14% as today, but I didn't buy lah. So this is how you have to decide what is your support and resistance located at. So that will give you more easy to make money in the stock market. Okay, so I don't cover so much on the glove. It's nothing much for you to cover. So many people ask me how about the outlook on the glove counter. To me, it's still there, and it's just waiting for the time that you want to buy at the support, or you are looking for buying at the resistance level. So the support is very thin, so and I mean the trading, the area of trading is the value is very thin. Okay, so very thin. So you have to make decision. You want to make decision as you buy at the support and resistance, something like this also can. Nothing wrong, but the effort to put in, the risk you are taken actually compared to the area of value is very thin. Okay, very small. So the risk higher comparing to the return. Okay, so the risk is higher than return. So you have to really do analysis on that matter before you make a decision to buy tomorrow. Is it okay? So this is cover a little bit on the top glove and the Supermax and couple of the glove counter that give you an overview what you should do tomorrow. Okay, so the next sector actually on the subsector is moving. So we go look into the Tafi, because why I look into Tafi? Tafi is a king actually, king of this sector. So on the the furniture, on the fiberboard and all this thing, actually the Tafi is moving. Okay, Tafi actually moving on the bottom to the top at the moment, actually giving you about 15% already. So this is Tafi. So Tafi is moving up. So this is one of the this furniture company. So after that, we're talking about Evergreen. So it's doing fiberboard. So actually tested at this level and go up again. So if you look into the indicator, it's not really a promising trend for you to buy lah. So it's not really promising trend. So if you want to buy, you buy at somewhere here lah, but not very promising. Okay. So look into the DE, look into the TE, look in the MCD also. Yeah, you make a little bit money lah, but not promising at the moment. So this is one of them. So Enum is the same. So he tried tested 0.90 0.19. So there's a lower some more lah. It's a 0.155, but not tested this time. So overall the DEs look fine. So it's a good. Okay, we can say good. So actually they are testing the market already. So the red color is showing you. So hopefully this is giving you a very good signal to do this stock. So this is also good. Okay, so where actually the price will end. So by the next couple of the trading day. So this is the question that many people have to try to get. So remember here is a gap. So the gap up, get down, get up, get down. So you can pick either here lah. Let's say we pick this one. The gap, I normally will pick the gap lah. So this is a gap. We're talking about the gap is here. So we're talking about 265 lah. So if the price is hitting about 265 in the future, so this is quite a strong resistance here. So you can see a double gap, triple gap, so many gap here, gap up, gap down. So this is something that you have to really aware of your trading, you see. So if there is a sideway or moving straight away up tomorrow, so you can see that this is a get up area. So this is a resistance 260. So this is 260 on the annum. So you have to find more furniture stock. You can just go to the software. So you use the software. You can just go to the brown sector. You go extract it out. So there's a furniture subsector here. So this is all the furniture stock, you see. So what we need to look into is look into a month or 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, we look into a few weeks. So what happened to this sector? So I actually teach you all before, you see. So basically everyone is like moving in the month in the April, you see. So how many of them? So actually you can add more lah. So you can see that so only 4 of them is not doing well lah. So the rest actually this is a 0. Should be okay lah. Not doing badly, but the rest of them are doing quite okay. Okay. So this is something that Lee Sukiat also said 8079. So this is how you actually want to confirm the subsector or actually moving or not moving. So you can see this is still a uptrend stock, is it? So actually the tested something like this not a good buy lah, because it's 1 bit 2 bit stock. So overall we can say that this subsector actually is moving. So I make it clear no co buy and co sell. So you want to see clearly which actually sector is moving. Okay, that's something that you have to really learn about it lah. So TYL also on the power international. So TYL, I talked about TYL, the other one I think not this one lah. So quite some time ago, so we talked about TYL power. This is power, and I don't know which one. Why YTL not TYL? I made a wrong one already. Okay, I think I thought about TYL this one before corporation. So they're actually getting the what we call that 5G, okay, in Malaysia market. So actually I talked to my ex-colleague quite some time ago lah. So actually now actually the price is shooting up. So I don't know how long lah. I think last year I talking about this. So you are actually, if you're holding the stock, actually making about 20%, but this is very long. Okay. So this is TYL. TYL, I think that's the thing that I'm talking about. Okay, for today, any question that you only stock you want to do? today very early, nothing much I can say. So you give me the code number, and then you see you want to sell. Okay, you want to sell. So you want to buy or you want to hold. So holiday mood is here. Okay, holiday. Okay. Okay, so for those going holiday, make sure you drive carefully. So make sure you have a very good trip. Okay, so Ivy on. Okay, good evening. Okay, Lee also, good evening. So anyone who diagnose your stock? So not much to cover. So everything is there. So a lot of company also giving you a quarter report, something like that. Boston also. Hopefully the Boston plantation is going up. So yeah, so it's going up. So you can keep the stock, keep until like this. You can just take money already lah. So it's very difficult for the stock to continue going up. Okay. So Vivian, you buy Salatica, then you buy so many stock. Oh, yo, one. So you buy K1, okay? So 0.115. Okay. Why you buy K1? Put all your money inside the Salatica, is it? Okay. 115. If this is the trend, I think you still can keep lah. You can keep your stock. Okay. You can keep your stock because the indicator is still okay. However, you have to remember that if the price try to hit this level, cannot. Maybe you just take the money first. If this is turned to green and this is the green, it might be too late for you because you're doing at the very cheap stock. You see, 185 and all this thing. You make enough money. If the stock tomorrow cannot break out this one and go down, I think my suggestion is you take money first. Okay. So this is for Vivian. So I don't know why he put the money here, is it? So she should put all the money here, She get very low. Okay. Okay, what is this? 0262 Sunview. So you want to hold? So what price you buying? You're buying on the top here. You have to see where is the resistance, support level that you're giving you the price that you should sell lah. So today get down 10%. So if the price want to break out this area, so I don't know where you buy, Lee. So if you want to buy at this area, as what I said all the time, this area should be 3 months, more than 3 months sideways. This will give you a safer area to buy. Okay. So this is very important. So this is thing that you have to very, 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 very important. You want to buy this type of breakout, the new high stock, so you don't buy somewhere middle here. So if you want to think about, I don't know where, Lee, I don't know what price you buy. So you have to tell me what price. If you buy somewhere, for example here, you still have to hold. Okay, somewhere here. So you see that this is the thing that you're going down very big. Okay, if as long as a big one, so the price will be going down. So if you make money, it's good to take money first. If not make money, then you have to consider what is the percentage or which one that you have to keep as your support. So normally you can keep this one. Okay, buy at 080. Yeah, you chasing high. So don't chase high. Okay, when you buy stock, don't chase high. If you want to buy this one like two, what we call that? The two green or three green or one green, also same. No exception. For the new stock is no exception of the 3 months. So you have to carefully listen about that. Okay, if this is the higher point, you buy the fourth day. So you are getting a wrong one. So this is getting a wrong one. Fourth day, not the third day. So if this is not within the third day, also cannot do anything. Okay. So if you buy at 80 cent, this is I don't know how deep is your pocket. So this is the lowest that you should hold. If you want to hold. Okay, 80 cent, you go down here, you go count how many percentage you do. Okay, after that I go move to Mr. Thai 0178. So Sardinia. Okay, Sardinia. Okay, your Sardinia is a good trend. Okay, this is what we need to analyze. Yeah, so the trend is on the funding, the fund moving to the market is good. Okay, or top still good. So actually showing you the good trend. Okay, the chip also showing you the not a bad one. But only problem is Sardinia is the what we call that, the candle with the shadow. Okay, they like to pull the price up and go down, go down and then pull up, then go down. Price. As long you have a very strong, this one, strong what we call that, the the heart and all this thing you can do lah. So this is a thing that I might advise So this is something that you have to be carefully look into the resistance and support somewhere here. So you bought this stock. So tomorrow if they go open and jump up, this is the resistance 1, resistance 2. Okay, so you have to count where actually is what is your area of value you're trading. Is it a X is good enough for you or not good enough? So this is something that you have to really think about it before you do any trading. Yeah. So you want to buy tomorrow. I cannot see here so clearly. So let us make it bigger area. So this is the second day. So this is 1, 2, 3. This one okay, and then you buy. Actually, you want to buy. Okay, this one okay. Today actually gap up, you buy. So gap up. So today gap up. Actually, you have the buying position. So gap up today a little bit down at the morning. Yeah. So okay to buy. So if you follow the requirement, actually today should be a buying point. So actually you make a little bit money for AD today. Okay, the trend is okay, not very good, and the candlestick. Okay, love mommy Malaysia. Okay, good very good name. Okay, ATM is considered cross at the triangle line. Okay, which triangle line? You give me this the what we call that, the 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 code number. I asked you to give me a code number. What's the code number? I forgot already. So you give me a code number. Love mommy. Okay. So handsome, handsome, handsome. 5173. Handsome. Okay. So always buy at this type of stock. You have a problem, yeah, on your trading. Okay. So what you see is, I think you are looking for the price at the candlestick big one, and you go jump into the trading. Yeah. So always remember, if you want to buy stock, okay, you want to buy stock, you want to use volume. Okay, the volume indication is very important. You see, for example here, high volume. So this high volume, you must be looking for the previous high volume at this range of the price. Okay, so I said many time already. So this is the range of the price. So somewhere here you can see this is a high volume. So you will draw a line here. You see, this is a high volume. This is almost triple. So if you cannot find, you find this one. This is lower. So this is the area that you should consider, or this area you should consider. So you put your line here. So the same day. So we are hitting somewhere here lah. So this is candlestick that you should be consider carefully. You want to buy stock, you have to consider this line. Okay, you see, they tested so many times. Okay, double. I know it's double volume. So this is double volume and double volume. So not all the double volume you put everything, you see. So so this is double volume. How you compare? You compare to no way, you see. You can compare to nothing, no way. So the previous double volume is here, and then the previous volume is here, all red color. So there is no green color. So you have very hard for you to compare, you see. Not all the double volume you should compare. Okay, you have to compare double volume, something like this. Okay, okay, somewhere here also can. Okay, somewhere here also can. This is called double volume. Okay, so not not all the green color candle you can buy, right? So it's the same like double volume, is it? You can laugh, so you play around with your money, is it? So remember, don't look into, oh, okay, the price shoot up and then you think that, oh, and then I go hit already, but you forgot to look into the resistance. Okay, uh, you look into the resistance something like this. Okay, you see, okay, the gap up is okay. So what you need to do is, you forgot the principle of the trading. So the principle of trading is, to find the area of value. Okay, if you don't have area of value, you cannot do anything. Okay. So after that, we will laugh at you, okay? We will laugh at you, okay? So we're talking about the next one, yeah. So Wong, okay? We're talking about CDB. CDB is Celcom, I think, right? So Celcom DG and Celcom DG and all this thing, right? So you give me, I think it's a six Celcom DG 6974, right? How come don't have one? Okay, 6974. I 47, sorry. So I know it's DG. Because somebody push me, you can buy this one, buy this one, buy this stock. Okay. Okay. 435, 436 you buy. Okay. So 436 you buy at this stock. So this stock is still on the uptrend stock. It's not a bad stock, but however this stock very hard to go to 9 baht lah. So very hard to go to 9 ringgit, I don't know lah, but to me I think it's very hard to go to 9 ringgit. Okay, so there's a few things that I commented here. So when if I do analysis, I will say that very hard to go to 9 ringgit. That's the first thing. Okay, so after that, short medium term, you don't have a medium term for you lah, so when you want to trade, you don't talk about term first. Okay, you're talking about making money first. Wong SF, Wong Sifu. Okay, Wong Sifu, so we don't talk about the term first. Okay, we're talking about the making money first. Okay, to be really very real trading environment. So you buy about 346 somewhere, 436 somewhere here lah. So you buy somewhere here, you still keeping the stock. Okay, fine, keeping the stock until this level. Okay, if the price going up, no worry. If the price is not going up, you have to set a support level. So for example, you want to keep a bit longer, so you have to take the support level, go down and then go up, go down, go up, go down. So what you need to do, you find the support level at this area. Okay, you go find. You go use double volume find. You go use DE, TE, everything will do. So for example, this one. Okay, consider here lah. So we consider many time the price hitting somewhere here. So you can consider this is your support level somewhere here. So if the price hitting here, support here, and then every time go up, no worry. If the lower becomes swing lower, swing lower, swing lower, you have to be careful on that. Okay, you have to be careful on that. So this is what we call you have to be aware when actually you want to take money or sell it out or take money first. Okay, if you from here you just make about maybe for a couple of percent. We're talking about couple of percent, not even 20%. Okay, so that's why very hard to move. Okay, this stuff stop. So if you make about 3-4%, you go down and then go up, go down, go up, also 5-6%. You better take money and go somewhere else. Okay, so my advice is better take money, go somewhere else. Okay, so this is one of the thing that we have to select a good stock. Okay, a good stock doesn't mean it's okay. Nestle is the best. Okay, our all Nestle is the best. Ajinomoto and all this is the good company, but not good is they don't give you an area of value to trade. Okay, not a big area of value to trade. Okay. So Wong Sifu, so I hope next time you know what to select, although this one you make a little bit money lah. Okay, Janice Yong, okay, CY Park, I cover about CY Park last classes. So I talking about why I want to buy CY Park. Give me a reason why you want to select CY Park, is it? So anything, okay, Catherine. Okay, later we look back. So you need to know about why you want to put it back into the CY part at 80 cent, you see? So somewhere here, 80 cent, I know lah. You want to try to hit the reversal pattern or whatever lah. So maybe you learn so many not so many technique like Vivian, you see? 1000 and 100 method. So the problem is where you can look into the stock that actually are crossing the this line, meaning the fund is moving out for the stock. Whether they want to move at the sideway or they want to move out at the something like this or they want to zoom down, we don't sure. But in the pattern like this is showing you that they are going to be a very long time of the sideway to sell. So you want to buy all this type of stock like this, very hard for you to make the maximum margin to the top because they want to create the lower part of the higher of the stock already. So on the top here is show you higher low, lower higher already. So the lower part, the higher part become lower already, lower higher already. So this is thing that you have to be carefully think about it. So you want to hold this stock, you cannot hold less than this. So you have to hold somewhere here and then go up again. If the price cannot shoot up more than 92 cents, then better take money and go somewhere else and invest. Okay, Janice, 7017 doctor, Dr. Wong. Okay, so another another cheap no value stock in term of the price. Okay, so the company okay lah in term of price. I talking about in term of price. Yeah, you bought at 0095. So this is no comment. So I don't encourage my student buying those stock below 20 cent. Yeah, so you must buy more than 20 cent. Below 20 cent stock, no comment. Okay, if they can go down 100% also can. Okay, so you have to be careful in the trading the cheap stock. So whether you use any indicator, okay, any indicator doesn't help you because the nature of the business is like that, cannot help you. So overall, the price, the trend okay, the fund okay, moving in also okay, but you have to be very careful with this level. If the stock price doesn't stay on this level, it's quite dangerous. Yeah. So this is the first one. Second one, probably this is this level. So I don't know how far you want to put in your stop loss. If the price is moving up, so we're talking about moving up lah. So we don't talk about moving down. So if the price is moving up, you can see the trend is like this. So moving up until this level. So moving up a little bit higher to this level only. Okay, this level. So this level we need to put it somewhere here. So 175 lah. So we're talking about 175. If the price can move up. Okay. So next time don't give me a shock. So still buying all those cheap stuff. I don't I not encourage. Okay. Okay, my mommy. Okay, what mommy is now we talking about? This is a very good. Love mommy Malaysia. Okay, very good. Very good name. Okay. Okay, so we're talking about buying ATA. So I don't know why you're buying. There's a first question. I don't know why you're buying this stock. Okay, so or not buying. So you're crossing a triangle line. So this type of stock don't buy. Okay, I just tell you don't buy. So not because of good or not. So don't buy at the moment. So unless otherwise, the stock you draw a line like this. Okay. So after that you draw another line like this. Okay, another line like this. So hopefully the trend for tomorrow sitting on the top. Okay, so we will foresee that if the market is going something like this, so you have to taking about consideration where actually the support level is. Okay, So if we're talking about the support level, so the resistance level and the support level, you have to find out. So this is one of them. So you can see here is one of them. So this is the area of value that you might be getting. So the next one, of course, this is the area that you should be consider. Okay, when you buy this stock going here, if cannot go down already, go down, go down, go down, go down, then you very hard to make money. Okay, you make less money, and then go up, go down, go up, go down. So this is a very very bad trend on the trending of the on the stock market. So very bad. Okay, so you can just look into it. Okay. Okay, Catherine, and then we move on the career. So 1171. Okay, Malaysia. Okay, Malaysia builder. So you also see maybe see double volume, another double volume. Okay, as long as see double volume, and then you think that okay, double volume is good. So I need to put on the power. So I forgot to put on the power, and then we stop. Okay. So we're talking about the double volume. Yes, double volume. So this is a volume get up and double volume. Okay. Okay. So if you want to buy this stock, so we're talking about the double volume is here. So get up. So at the same time, probably you just buy in. You see, very hard to buy. So get up. When as and when the stock get up, you have to know that the get up position here very hard for the stock to get down. So very hard. So you bought already, you just keep the stock. So you can see very hard to get down at this level. So this is the top part of the market. So here is the another resistance level. This is a support level for you. So you have to look into that matter when you want to buy Malaysia builder. Okay, 1171. So 1171. So you have to be carefully look into it. Today bearish is okay. So this is a gap. So very hard to cross down the gap lah. So I can say, if you think that you're very worried, so you just think about it. So the hitting, I don't go analyze the sector lah. So you go analyze the sector. So this is a very hard to pop at this area. Okay, so you have to remember this is the area that you should be very strong support level for you. Okay, so doesn't not a big matter lah, but next time you want to see all this stock, okay, the thing is okay, good, everything you can try, but we don't like to try something that the middle got one something red like this because you are not very sure whether this is you see the price shoot up and then the red color one here and then go down. So you look carefully into the indicator. Okay, this show you the up higher point, this is not. Okay, so doesn't matter, then you can keep it if you want to keep it. Okay, Tay Bang Lei. Okay, madam. Okay, madam Tay 7167. So able. Okay, this is another problem. Okay, so very long time I never heard from you buying stock, but you one time you give me this type of stock, don't buy. Okay, bought at the 1.3 1.31. You bought before or just bought it now? So this is no activity stock. So we don't buy the stock like this. Although this is the bottom. Okay, this is the bottom. The DE is show you good, but there's no red color. I don't know how you buy it. But maybe you forgot already, or you want to learn buy at the bottom already now. You buy at the left side of the trading already now. So don't forget about one rule of thumb. So very difficult for you to buy a stock that already on the go down and go up. So very difficult unless you have a very good volume, and then this stock are no volume, no trading volume. So it's just one bit, two bit, one bit, two bit, very hard for you. Okay, very difficult for you. Okay, you don't buy, no need to buy that stock. Mention builder, you don't buy, no need to buy. At the moment, not say I want to push, I want to say no need to buy lah. So at the moment, no buying point. Okay, so unless they are showing you the good trend, new buy. Okay. Oh, bought a few years ago. Okay, finally, buy a few years ago. Finally, the price back already, is it? So, bought a few years ago. Okay, so actually the price is moving low already lah. So this is go up and moving a bit low. So probably the support level is somewhere here lah. Okay, somewhere here. So you want to move your what you call that, your fund to somewhere else is better lah. So you bought some a few years ago. Okay, 0084 DY Fund. DY84 gap up yesterday and today drop. Okay, okay. Some Catherine already give you a answer already. 0084. So what happened is is the uptrend starting? No. Okay. So the uptrend starting, of course the trend is already up for quite some time now. So from here you can see the higher low, but this price will be shooting here. We tested this area, so this is definitely a very strong area. So it's testing this area, you see. So how many times they test, we're not sure. Okay, so they will test again. You want to buy, you buy already, you make money, and then you wait for another one testing. If this is fail, okay, test 5 times. If fail lah. If 5 times, anything below 5 break out, and then the trend continue on the uptrend. So don't buy stock that less than 20 cent. Okay, you all like to buy stock less than 20 cent, yeah. Okay, buy those is quite comfortable one, not 20 cent. Okay, you can buy 20 cent above until 10 ringgit. So 4 ringgit, 5 ringgit also consider lah, but very difficult to double up. For example, Celcom and DOJI, I don't know when. Maybe my lifetime also very hard to get 9 baht. I think I don't have many 10 years to go lah, but I don't think this stock will be getting 9 baht very in the near future, is it? So there's nothing for you to do to make sure that this type of stock will be getting 9 baht. Okay, unless the bull market is here. Okay, anything else you want to ask? If not, we will end our class, and then we will see you next Tuesday. So Thursday is holiday already, so everyone holiday mood already. Okay, so I don't have live on the holiday mood. Okay, so thank you for joining me, and good night everyone.